Hey guys, this is Darren with EastsideSportsCards.com. Tonight we're going to be breaking two boxes of 2014 Topps Prime Football. This was a team break. All 32 teams did sell out. Let's go ahead and go over the teams with you, and let's go ahead and get this broke down. We got Robert B., 49ers and Eagles. Nicole H., Giants and Packers. Perry S. has Raiders, Bills, and Colts. Waylon has Steelers. Darren has Bengals. Philip, Browns, and Chargers. Perry S. again has Vikings and Bucks. Jory W., Lions, Dolphins, and Jags. Justin L's got Seahawks. Robert P., Texans, Rams, Ravens, Cowboys, Jets, Redskins, Broncos, and Cardinals. We've got Nathan T. as Patriots. Jory W. as Titans. We have Chris M., Chiefs, Falcons, Saints, and Bears. And we've got Casey as Panthers. Okay? Everybody like that? If you can hear me and you agree with all that, please type Y in the box, okay? Casey, you good? Jory's good. Waylon, you good? Yeah. And I'm going to also do this, guys, since we're doing a multi-box break like I always do. We're going to go box number 1 on this. Okay? And we're going to do box number 2 on this. So you guys always know that we're doing the boxes in front of us. All right. Let's go ahead and get this broke down, guys. We appreciate everything. And good luck with everything, okay? Good luck. Okay, guys, as you can see, it is a sealed box. We're pulling packs out of it right now. Sealed, empty. All right, guys, first pack of the first box. I wish all of you a good luck, okay? Okay, let's go and get this zoomed in a little bit. If everybody can see me, we're good to go here. We've got Jimmy Graham. Okay. Jimmy Graham. Welker. Matthews. We've got Timeline. We have Victor Cruz. Look at that, Justin. Who's the man now? Ha 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 ha. This is sick. And it's even numbered. If I can get it to focus for you. This is awesome, guys. This is an awesome. Holy yeah, dude. It's numbered 10 of 15, baby. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, baby. See, hopefully I can get this to focus for you. It's Earl Thomas, man. The hammer. Number 10 of 15 for you, Justin. Let me go ahead and get a top loader for that right away. I'm so proud for you, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Monster hits around here. That's what we do here at the Box Breaking Madness. That's what I'm talking about. For the Seattle Seahawks, 10 of 15, Earl Thomas auto. Bang. Here we go. Nastiness. All right. We have McKinnon here to follow that pack up. That's what I'm talking about. We've got Ray Rice, Nelson, Rivers. We've got Evans as an insert right there. That's good. That's so smoking. Primed rookies right there. Ooh. We've got Percy Harvin. And to finish that off, we got Jenkins as a rookie. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm still smoking on that one. Woo-hoo! Deshaun Jackson, Bowman, Gore, Wright, Drew Brees. We've got Bishop Sankey right there, man. All right. Still got some hits left in the box. Super stoked for everybody. Palmalu, Hilton, Torrey Smith, Marshall. We've got Cam Newton, Prime Thomas. And we've got Jeremy Hill. All right, man. All right. Awfully thick tonight. Oh, yeah, there's a hit in there. All right, so we've got Martavius Bryant for the Steelers. We have Brian Hartland for the Dolphins. Oh, this is going to be sick, dude. All right. For all you Vikings, bang! That's what I'm talking about. There's another two-color patch Teddy Bridgewater. That's some filth right there. Some just filth. Bang. Oh, that's nasty. Ha ha. All righty. That's what we break here at the Box Breaking Madness. We've got Sue. We've got Gronkowski. Ertz right there. We got Grappolo for the Patriots. Primed rookies. Quad for the Houston Texans. That's nice. Loving that stuff. All right, 72 of 140. There you go. 072 of 140. Get that baby in a top loader for all y'all. Oh, you guys are going to like this hit next right there. So that's the Savage right there. Okay. We got number to 99, Kelvin Benjamin. Let's get that in a top loader here for you too. We're stoked here tonight at the Box Breaking Madness, man. We still got a case left in front of us to crack. Man, you guys need to get into this stuff, man. Loaded product. Bang. 42 of 99. Bang. Look at that, Casey. We got that for you. All right. In the last box, we got 4 packs left. Smoking stuff here. We've got Cutler, Wallace, Richardson. We've got that insert right there. Manual for the Bills. Bang. Russell Wilson. Gold, non-numbered. And we've got Mike Evans rookie in there. All righty. Crabtree. Manual. Kaepernick. Bang. Eli Manning. Ashland Jeffries. Prime time. Michael Sam. All right, feels thick in this, guys, but I don't think we got a hit in there. Forte, Edelman, Tom Brady, Jamal Charles. We've got prime time, Pierre Garçon. Okay, we got Cooks. All right, last pack in box number 1. We do have a hit in here. Perfect. C.J. Mosley goes to the Ravens. Awesomeness. We have Alex Smith. See if I can get this thing to focus. Bang. Alex Smith. We got Russell Wilson. And look at this, gentlemen. Bang. Jordan Matthews for the Eagles. That's what I'm talking about. Super, super sick right there. Quad auto of an Eagles rookie. Super nice. All right, guys. We got box number 2 right here. Let's go ahead and crack this baby down. Let's keep the mojo going here. Box Breaking Madness is just going mad tonight. We got some hits happening. Woo! We got some hits happening. All right. Empty box right there. Empty box right there. Let's go ahead. First pack, box number 2. Good luck, everyone. Well, we got a hit. We got a hit. First pack. Erica Braun right there, rookie. That's what I'm talking about. And we've got Cecil Shorts. Ooh, that's good. Reggie Wayne. And then we do have, for the Bengals, bang, quad, auto of Gio Bernard. Bang, there we are for that. First pack in, we already got a quad auto in there. Man, I'm talking, this is good stuff. All right. We have, see if I can get this baby to focus a little bit better. We've got Hilton, Graham, Wright, Smith, Prime Time. Looks like Richard Sherman. Oh, that's good. And then we've got a Viking Anthony Barr rookie right there. So good. All right, let's go ahead and get this one down. I'm feeling it, guys. I'm feeling it tonight. Oh, Matthews, Rivers, Wilson. We've got, bang, there's an insert right there for y'all, for the Eagles. Eagles are doing really well right now. There you go. If I can get this baby to focus, there we are. Mike Glennon gold. Jason Morrow right there. That's what I'm talking about. We still got a few packs left in this, and we've only got one hit coming out of it already. Man, we need to hit something big here. We got Harvin, Rivas. We've got Heartland. We've got the Broncos of Johnny Manziel Prime rookies. Congratulations, all the Browns, guys. We got that done for you. Darrelle Revis gold. And we got Teddy Bridgewater to follow that up right there. That's good stuff. Still have the hits in here. We have Bowman. We have Palmalu. Jamal Charles. Gore. Prime Time. We've got Antonio Brown for the Steelers and Watkins for the Bills. Alrighty. We're almost halfway home with the box of Prime. So here we go. Pierre Thomas. LaShawn McCoy, Richardson. We've got Eddie Lacy. Looks like we got an autograph in here, guys. Bang. For the Jets. It always happens like that, man. Always happens like that. Alrighty. Alright, there you go. Non-numbered auto, but it still is an auto. Come on. Focus for me. Focus for me. There we go. There you are, guys. DeAnthony Thomas. All right, we got Jordy Nelson, Alex Smith, Matthews, Wallace. We've got Colts in here, Robert Matthews, and we have Logan Thomas for the Cardinals. 3 packs left in the break. 3 packs left right here. All right, we've got Jay Cutler, Ray Rice, Marshall, Welker. We've got Earl Thomas. And then it looks like we've got a Cardinal 0/2/50, Troy Nichols 0/2/50, regular rookie. Let's go ahead and get that one into a top loader for all y'all. And all right, there we go, and we'll get that up there at the screen. 0/2/50. It's not wanting to focus tonight for some reason. There we go. You guys can see that 0/2/50. There we are. All right, 2 packs left remain in this break here. We got a hit. Justin, you're gonna love me, man. That's all I got to say. Allen Robinson right there. You've got DeAndre Hopkins, Tom Brady. And looks like for Justin again, Paul Richardson jersey. Congratulations, my friend. There you go on that. 1 pack left in this break. All right, guys. Deshaun Jackson, Eli Manning, Tom Brady. The Vikings do have prime rookies right there for the Teddy Bridgewater lover right there. Blake Bortles, look at that. Super sick for the quad. Put that right in the top loader right now so you all know that. It's all good to go. quad. See if I can get this thing to focus tonight. There we go. It's 087 of 140 for the quad. There you go. It's 087 of 140. Hopefully that'll help you guys a little bit. And then to finish that one off, we've got Clowney. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do a hit recap real quick. That way everybody can see, or if somebody missed something, you guys can see that. So looks like we have Paul Richardson jersey, Giovanni Bernard quad auto, Jordan Matthews quad auto, nice sick bottom right corner patch, Teddy Bridgewater 2-color, beautiful piece. Bested of the night, 10 of 15, Earl Thomas auto. 10 of 15, Earl Thomas auto. Blake Bortles quad, 087 of 140. You have Tony Nichols, 02 of 50. You've got Tajah Boyd auto right there. You've got 42 of 99, Kelvin Benjamin. And then for Houston Texan fans, you got Tom Savage. All right, guys, that wraps up the box break for the 2014 2-box Topps Prime football break. We appreciate you stopping by and being in the breaks. Please don't hesitate to stop on by, shop.eastsidesportscards.com. Thanks again, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.